Today on Auto Truck Toys TV, we're going to be installing front and rear tube bumpers from Aries Automotive, as well as a Mopar OEM hitch on this 2002 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Edition.
These Aries Automotive bumpers are made from heavy-duty 3-inch round tubing and are available in polished stainless steel or black powder-coated finish. They are specifically designed to fit 87 to 06 Wranglers. All necessary mounting hardware is already included.
In addition to making our Jeep a little more ready for the trail, we're also going to install this Mopar OEM Class 1 receiver hitch to make it a little more functional. With this, our 6-cylinder Jeep can tow up to 2,000 pounds max trailer weight and up to 200 pounds max tongue weight. This complete system comes with everything you need, including the installation hardware, drop hitch, and tow ball, so you're ready to start towing the minute after installation.
Installation only requires a basic socket set, regular wrenches, and possibly some drilling depending on your model.
First thing we need to do is remove the auxiliary lights.
After detaching the auxiliary lights, we then have to remove the Torx bolts at the top and bottom of the OEM bumper. After removing all the Torx screws, then we can get this bumper off. Now before torquing down the bolts, make sure the bumper is centered perfectly with the vehicle.
Since our Jeep is equipped with factory auxiliary lights, extending of the wiring harness is required in order to use our factory mounting tabs. Now that we got the front bumper installed, it's time to remove the rear.
Now it's important to note that 97 through 06 Jeep Wranglers will require 2 poles to be drilled in the frame for the inner mounting brackets.
Now, since we got our poles tightened up in our mounting brackets here, we can go ahead and install the rear bumper. This Mopar OEM hitch receiver is relatively simple to install. You have one bolt on the underside mounting into the frame, and then 2 bolts mounting into the side of the frame.
Well, there you have it. We've gone ahead and made this Jeep a little more ready for the trail with these off-road bumpers from Aries, and we've also made it more functional with this Mopar OEM receiver. seeker hitch.